Hello everybody. I'm so excited. I can't even contain it. So, oh my goodness. Today we are going to be undoing some Animal Crossing Amiibo cards series 2. Oh, what is this? It is a box set. Quotation marks. I don't know if this is the complete series, okay, because it's just a bunch of pack of cards, 42 packs to be exact. I don't know if I'm going to get the complete series out of all of this, because I don't know, surely you'd think, because it's the box set, yeah, there's going to be double ups, but they should have at least one pack that has all of the cards. So, I feel like a little star. Oh my goodness, great. Am I saying what I want to say? If I can get the whole set, then that means I would have saved money, because otherwise, when you just go to the store, how many packs have I brought trying to get Series 3? More than $200 worth, and I have not got the complete series. So if I can get the complete series of $200, which I sold some of my black milk clothing to be able to afford, so that's how we're doing that, the big monies. But I was so worried that I got scammed to begin with, because I bought it online yesterday and the tracking code wasn't working the whole day, and I was like, I didn't check if this was a good site. I didn't do my due diligence. Due diligence. That's the word. Okay, so I was like, oh no, but then finally at 10 p.m. it worked, and then it was like, it should come in the 25th or 26th, and I was like, that's tomorrow or the next day. Like, what? And it did arrive, and I was like, whoa, amazing. So are all the cards that I have already, and of course we are hoping for Felicity, so we're going to get the first one. And wouldn't it be amazing if this has had Felicity in it? I would cry happy tears. That's what I would do. So we have our handy dandy scissors, and we're just gonna open 4 packs in this video. We have Sir Chops already, and then we have Teddy, and then we have Reese, and I do believe I already have all of the specials, so every single special we get is going to be a double up. And at the end of the video I will say which ones we do have and which ones we don't, because sometimes my memory isn't very good and I get excited thinking we got one when we already have it, and sometimes I think, oh, we already have it, when we don't in fact already have it. So let's open the second pack of series 2. Felicity. Is it Felicity? That is not, but it is Camo Frog, and I saw a little, it's like blue, because could this be Felicity? For a second I thought it might have been like accoutn, and I don't think we have Blair either. And then of course a double up of Dawn. Not series 2, pack number 3 for this video. Make sure you like and subscribe so you know when I post all of these. And Felicity, bam! Not Felicity, but Zell, which I don't believe we have. And then Felicity, Phoebe, who's been on my island before. And then, of course, a double up of Kix. I think we've done pretty well so far, aside from, of course, getting all the double ups of all the special characters. But pack number 4 that we're going to do today, we do already have Drake. We love Drake. And then we have Cookie, I believe, and then of course a double up. And you know what? We're gonna do 6 packs because I cannot help myself. Let's get into it. Keep it an even number. Let's see who it is. We do not have Moose, I do not believe. And then Savannah, we already have. And of course a double up of Jack. And let me calculate to see if we have any double ups. These 11 are double ups, so trash. And then these puny little 1, 2, 3, 4 cards are the ones that we actually needed and matter to me. So there we have it. That is the first 6 cards of so yeah, if you enjoyed this video, make sure you give me a like and you comment and you subscribe. I respond to nearly every single comment, so make sure you subscribe and comment and all that jazz. And hopefully we can get to 500 subscribers. Okay, thank you all so much for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.